I know a secret, and I'm not mentioning any names, but I know that this carbon fiber bezel and the carbon fiber cases are made in the same factory. One goes this way, and it's $500. One goes this way, it's $500,000. Same piece.
Okay.
Yeah. Correct?
And today we are going to a fair, to a watch fair with Michael. We are going to pick him up now. We need to change real quick. Robert, thank you. We need to change real quick. Opala, sorry. I think the electrician also here, right? Electrician also here. Yeah, electrician. Yeah. And then guys, we are hopefully, it's a jewelry show, I think. And we are visiting some friends of Michael for sure. Now guys, let's get ready, change. Which kind of outfit color should I wear today? This is the question. So I will be back. I need to hurry up. I'm already late. This, then here you go. This is my choice. So now let's go to the fair.
So this is actually better because now we're able to film without being thrown out. Last year when I was here with Trax from New York. He had his cameraman. His cameraman didn't have a media pass, and they threw him out.
Okay, so we
by
are
escorts.
Okay, so we are here
legally.
Yeah, but where we are?
First time in your life you're actually doing it legally. How does it feel?
I mean, you're right. You're right. We are here right now at the JCK.
Yes, we are indeed. And with our dear friends from Tsar Bomba, who makes it show your watch.
There it is.
The dark matter. But I'm sure we will see something because you already showed me there's some special function to it, right?
We've got some interchangeability. Quick, click the bezel right off, change it up, change the strap.
I prefer it with the bezel.
Yeah. But this one is amazing. But we will talk a little bit about it later. But it's a nice combination. So Tsar Bomba it's a Russian name.
Yeah, terrible Russian name. I don't know why you would call a company that. No, but the watch is great.
Yeah, but you are not Russian.
No, we're not Russian.
And the owner of the company is from?
The owner of the company is from Asia. But the Tsar Bomba name, because this is a disruptive force right here in the watch world. It's that atomic blast.
Okay.
But then remember also the bezel, the strap, the crown.
Really bad
all
taste.
Interchanges. It's like an atom. The individual components orbit the head of the watch.
You should be a watch salesman. but the watch movements are actually Japanese, right?
They are
Japanese,
and some of them have Swiss. Some of them have Salida also.
I didn't even know that. I didn't even know that.
Japanese, Swiss. We're an international. We're an international force of nature.
Yeah, but because someone from Asia founded the company with a Russian name, and
I guarantee you he had no idea what it was when he called it Tsar Bomba.
But somehow the name sticks to it.
Yeah, it's a good name. It's a catchy name.
But the JCK is not all about watches. You also get here some jewelry, or
a lot of jewelry, watches, anything that's blingy, really, right?
Everything. It's like the biggest bling show by far
in the world.
America.
Oh,
there's some big shows also in like Dubai and Hong Kong, the gem shows. But as far as North America goes, on the Western Hemisphere, there's nothing bigger than Vegas right here.
And I tell you, Vegas, in terms of how they manage it, they are really capable of housing also this kind of people, right?
And they're also very particular who they let in. We had to fight for about an hour to get Marc a pass.
We got stuck at JCK Customs.
Yes, we did.
Okay.
Very efficient. So don't go down that line. That's the wrong line.
So now let's get in. So here we are.
It's the man himself. This is Mr. Tsar Bomba. How are you? Good to see you.
Hello, how are you?
Marc.
Good. Since when did you found the company?
We started in 2017.
Okay. Yeah. And I see there is a lot of progress. This one, for example, I've not seen.
Yeah, it's a new product.
Yeah.
Full carbon fiber.
Okay.
Pretty wild, right?
Yeah. What is the most difficult step for the watches to manufacture? What is the biggest kind of challenge for you?
With only 3 hands, we have to make more sophisticated and skeleton.
That's a good point, because all watches, they only do the same thing. They tell the time.
Yeah.
Some have a bunch of functions that are pointless, right? Nobody ever uses them.
Yeah.
So how do you make it sophisticated?
Yeah, as you can see the designs and the scale of sunlight, what we make. Yeah, it's more like.
Is this Swiss?
This is not. The Swiss is that one.
This is Swiss.
That one Salita.
And they became smaller, I think, right? The size is a little bit smaller now.
A little bit smaller, but we still keep the interchangeable DNA. So you can change the bezel, change the crown and the strap.
I would assume these are very expensive with the Swiss movement.
No, this one is $2,000.
$2,000. Now there's a brand that looks similar to it. I'm not mentioning any names.
Yeah.
But there is one that probably does the same thing. Probably not as well.
Yeah.
I think this might be better. And you can put a couple of zeros on the end of it, and I don't know.
But tell me, because the story is really interesting. I mean, what was your kind of inspiration? I mean, back in 2017, back in 2017.
So I have to interrupt. I've been watching videos, and sometimes you see up Mark's nostrils, you see his teeth, you never see his face. So let me line this up for him. There we go.
Okay.
Perfect.
I mean, what you were interested in watches, or why did you found the? I mean, what was your? Because the watch market is very much competitive. So why did you came up with the idea?
So
Beautiful watch.
Yeah.
everybody's producing the stainless steel watch. Everybody's get boring about the stainless steel watch. So you can see we have carbon fiber, we have ceramic, we have titanium. So we also make ceramic and a sapphire case. So you can see, and then every die is the similar. So you can see the die would make skeleton, and also what the amazing part is interchangeable.
Ah, okay.
So we can easily change the buckle, easily change the
Top part. Yeah. This is the nice part. This is really a unique function.
yeah. And also
You know, I'm just waiting for that big companies will copy this mechanism.
Did you put a patent on it?
yes.
Oh, you did? Oh,
But
there
normally,
you go.
I would. You can do that. This mechanism could be possible on. I would see it on Hublot.
Yeah.
You know, some brands they could easily also put this in their lineup.
I saw some, but they're like a kind of a screw.
Yeah.
But we have a faster.
This one is nice. This one feels really good.
I know a secret. I know a secret, and I'm not mentioning any names, but I know that this carbon fiber bezel and the carbon fiber cases are made in the same factory. One goes this way, and it's $500. One goes this way, it's $500,000. Same piece.
Okay.
Yeah,
Correct?
We cannot tell,
We cannot tell.
but this watch case and material from same production from some Swiss brand.
Oh, really? Interesting.
Yeah.
But you,
Scary, really, when you think about it.
Yeah.
Marketing.
but you were always into watches, or
Yes.
one day you just said, "There you are."
I know that guy.
Yeah, there you are.
You know him?
So you always were into watches, and then you just started
Hello.
one day. Okay. I mean, really nice. You know what I like? I like that the size is not too big, because right
Not
now
for me.
the size gets smaller and
100%.
smaller, right?
Sorry.
These are titanium.
Ah, titanium side. Ah, cool. Look, you even have some diamonds. Ah, this one also color combination looks familiar.
Yeah, very familiar, right?
Yeah.
Very familiar.
Interesting. And what is the most important market for you? Where is the watch bought the most?
So Middle East.
Okay.
For example, in Dubai, all the important malls we have shops
One shop.
there,
Okay.
and U.S. Caribbean islands.
Okay.
So we also sell in the cruise lines.
Okay.
So we have 26 ships now.
I have a question. How many watches are you now selling a year, approximately?
Good question. Yeah.
55,000 pieces a year.
55,000.
It's the same like Audemars.
Wow.
Audemars
that is
Piguet makes the same.
Amazing. That is amazing.
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 I think there's still a big way to go.
That's pretty,
But
pretty good.
no,
Yeah.
55,000 in this price range is really a success. I tell you, it's not easy. 55,000 is difficult to move.
Yeah, but the price is affordable, right?
Very
What
affordable.
is what is the
But
most inexpensive model?
it's a great product, though.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a great product.
$220.
$220. Okay, and the average selling price?
It's like $800.
Okay, nice. I mean, wild color combination, different models.
I mean, look at that watch. That is quite
Yeah.
something.
Yes.
How much is this? $1,000.
Okay.
If you wore that on your wrist and you sat down at a restaurant, I would say most people would think that's $300,000 on your wrist.
Oh, it's
And it keeps better time than some watches that cost $300,000. Are these waterproof?
Yes, 100 meters.
Really?
Yes.
really fun.
They're amazing, right?
Yeah. So you have different calibers, right? When I see here, you have a chronograph, you have
Yeah.
three-hand, but this one, the balance wheel is a little bit more open, right?
Yeah.
This looks like a lady's, right?
Oh, no.
Actually, also can be for men.
Yeah, it can be also for mine. I like the combination.
Yeah.
The light blue with the pastel color, it's not bad.